What's going on, guys? Rob from ClicksGeek, and in this video I want to run through a foundation and repair company who was, before he paused, was converting at 47%. This guy was getting hammered with leads. So I'm going to walk you through this. It's very, very basic. I've obviously removed all identifying information, logo. The call to action here was just get a free estimate. We do city name, #1 foundation repair company, what they specialize in. Free estimate again, kind of reinforcing that. Name, email, phone. We put an image here, must be authentic, of the team or the team out on a job, something like that. Then we do a customer testimonial here. Honestly, we probably should be putting social proof here, but since this one's working so well, I haven't touched it. Next, we come down here, another picture of the team or then on a job. A big content block, about 2 or 3 paragraphs of all of their services and about the company. And also underneath this picture, we did have like BBB logos and like Angie's List award stuff, so you can put that there too. Come down here to the final block, final call to action, foundation repair and installation services, specializing in, again, just reinforcing, get a free estimate by calling. And then we do 3 more of different jobs that they're on. Maybe this one's foundation repair, crack repair, something like that. Maybe this one's full installations or dig outs or whatever. And then down at the very bottom footer, company name, privacy policy, and your another phone number, call to action, or we use it for Google Ads. We put the ad extension number there. And that's pretty much it. Now, this is mobile that's driving the 47% conversion rate, so I'm going to go over into the campaign, and I'll show you that right now. You can see here, January 1st, 2020 to January 31st, 2020, before they paused, they spent $5,700, got 63 foundation repair leads at a cost of $91 per lead, 47.73% conversion rate. So this campaign was extremely successful. They were spending a heavy amount, which was nice because they're in a very, very competitive city. So that's pretty much it for this page. It's really basic, and the mobile layout's pretty much just condensed. It's all the same, and yeah, man. I mean, this page does really well in foundation repair. We use it for everybody that we have in foundation repair. We kind of roll it out and change the color schemes up and the images, and we keep most of the content pretty much the same. Feel free to take this and use it for your own stuff if you need. Now, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. There should be a little red button at the bottom right of this video. Make sure you click that and subscribe. If you are interested in learning more about how we create these high converting landing pages, then I can drop a link in the description below the video to our Landing Page Academy course, where I kind of walk you through how to create these and the mindset behind why everything is laid out the way it is. And that's something I'll put down there for you guys. Besides that, I'll catch you guys in the next video.